Welcome, Biovagans. I'm glad to have you back. Today, we're going to talk about making your own clothes because you know I support beauty on the inside and out. So, let's get started on some of the things that you're going to need.
Come to me, come to me. Needing you as my company. Hey, calling for you to come to me.
First thing that you're going to need is a sewing machine. So, this sewing machine is really good. I have it, I bought it in the color pink. It's just so cute. Right now it's in Brooklyn. I'm shipping it. I'm currently shipping it to Las Vegas where I am now. But it is sewing is hard, period. But it is a very simple machine. It comes with a CD to show you how to string it and how to use it and stuff, and it's just really good. It's a really simple machine for beginners and intermediate seamstresses or tailors or whatever you call people who sew. So yeah, check it out. So this here is a sewing machine table, and that I chose this one for you because I feel that it's aesthetically cute and but yet so useful. You're definitely gonna need all these compartments when you start sewing because you need to be organized, but there's just so much stuff that you have to have as well. So you're gonna need to get yourself a sewing machine and a table on which you are going to work. You're also going to need a tabletop cutting mat because you don't want to cut the table when you're cutting your fabrics. Um, so you're gonna need one of these. These are typically made of rubber or whatever the material is. It's like a kind of like a rubbery material, and it basically you can use it as a ruler or even a straight edge or a diagonal edge to cut your fabrics accurately. Speaking of fabrics, you're definitely gonna need fabrics. I did not put fabrics in this excuse me, in this video because I think that all people who buy fabric should go to a store in person to feel their fabrics, see the vibrance in the colors and stuff in person. I just don't think, getting fabrics online is really gonna be satisfactory for the purchaser. So the next thing is a sewing kit. So this is just a one-stop shop for all the things that you're gonna need. A whole bunch of different colors of string, um, excuse me again, and needles and scissors and pins and stuff like that. So this sewing kit is linked below in the description as well. I do advise a rotary cutter as opposed to a pair of scissors because rotary cutters make cutting fabric so quick, so easy, so accurate, so straight, so perfect. I mean, it's just yeah, definitely get yourself a rotary cutter instead of using a pair of scissors when you start your projects. So I also added excuse me, I also added a serger. So a serger pretty much hems garments, and it it cuts off any of the frail that's at the tip, and it's really useful when creating things like bathing suits to get that perfect seam there. So surgeons are really good. It's not a must-have in the beginning of the journey, um, but it is just so useful. I guess in like the intermediate stage. So I just thought I should present it to you now. The reason why I called this video "Making Your Own Clothes" rather than just sewing, getting started on sewing, is because I also wanted to add the knitting machine. So this is an AliExpress knitting machine, and what you do is basically string it once, and you turn this, whatever you call that, like you just turn that, and then it spins, and you could knit panel, and you could also knit like circular stuff too, and it's just so quick and easy. So definitely go ahead, get you one of these. It can really knock out your knitting projects really fast, and you can have so many results. And if you're also a person who's interested in selling your stuff too, then the knitting machine is great for you because you can make so much product so quickly. So definitely check it out. So thank you again, Biovagans, for watching my video again. And I just want to say that I really do genuinely love you guys, and I want you to stay beautiful on the inside and out and be the best versions of yourself. Check out my other videos to see if it might help you in any way, shape, or form. You can subscribe, like, or comment if you'd like to. And then just really be good out there, you guys. Okay?
Come to me, come to me, come to me. Needing you as my company, company. Hey, calling for you to come to me. You are setting my soul on fire.